Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Vanguard stocks and shares ISA. First, ensure you understand the tax advantages of an ISA, allowing your investments to grow free from UK income and capital gains tax. Next, prepare your personal details, including your national insurance number and bank account information. Finally, consider your investment objectives and how much risk you are comfortable taking on. This preparation will streamline the setup process significantly. To begin, navigate to the official Vanguard UK website. Look for the Open an Account section and select the Stocks and Shares ISA option. You'll then be guided through an online application form. Carefully input your personal information, including your address, date of birth, and national insurance number. Double-check all details for accuracy to avoid any delays in opening your account. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, especially when you're focused on your finances. The Oala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your water cold all day. You can find a link to it and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your account is open, the next step is funding your ISA. You can set up a regular direct debit for monthly contributions or make a single lump sum payment. Remember the annual ISA allowance. Then, it's time to choose your investments. Vanguard offers a wide range of low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds. Carefully consider your risk profile and investment horizon when making your selections. Finally, review and confirm your choices. After setting up and funding your ISA, it's important to manage it effectively. Regularly log into your Vanguard account to monitor your investment's performance. As your financial situation or goals change, you might consider adjusting your portfolio. Remember, you can contribute up to the annual ISA allowance each tax year. Planning your contributions helps maximize your tax-free growth potential. Vanguard provides tools to help you stay on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.